If you've ever wondered what it's like to practice mindfulness, then just watch Sonnie. So you can practice with your eyes open. You can see he's very focused on his breath. He's just sniffing the air and he's getting a lot of information from it. Now, for humans, you just make the effort to put your attention to your nostrils, and as you breathe in through them, just notice that the air is colder around your nostrils as on the in-breath. And if you breathe out through your nostrils, it's a little bit warmer. Now breathe in, hold it, breathe out. You could breathe out through your mouth, in through your nostrils, out through your mouth. Okay, so we're just going to do that again. So in, hold, out. In, hold, out, and hold, and in, hold, out, hold, and then just breathe normally. So thoughts will distract you from that. Don't let the thoughts pass. As if it's just something passing through your consciousness, or like it was just something that you weren't so interested in. You're much more interested in your breath, just while you're doing your practice. And what that does is it slows things down. And slowing things down internally is a good thing to do. It's a good stage of mindful awareness. Breathing in, noticing, breathing out, noticing. That's it.